Hello! So today I'm going to do an unboxing really quick of the Cytoverse Your Sanderson box. I did do an unboxing of the Hoyd box, but it didn't really come out that great, and honestly I was a little not that enthused about the box. Like, the items were okay and everything, and the shirt was great, but it just I'm really hoping that this one is better. No offense. Personally, I really want there to be a Doomslug plushie in here, but I don't think there is. I hope you can hear me okay, because there's like a train and the window's open and I have difficulty with sound all the time. Okay, so before I open this, a quick explanation of the Cytoverse. That is the Skyward young adult series that Brandon Sanderson has written. It's a sci-fi series. I consider it kind of like book one especially feels like a sci-fi dystopian series where the main character spends they live underground on this very desolate planet, and they can't leave. They have spacecraft, but they can't leave or like expand across the surface of the planet because there's like this shield type thing around the planet, and there's these other ships up there and they get attacked, and they really have to keep their numbers low so that their heat signatures don't show that there's a bunch of people living there, because then shit hits the fan. So they really live in a dystopia world, and then the following books, like, the world just expands and keeps growing, and I don't want to spoil anything, but it's a really fun sci-fi spaceship species type story. It is great, and Doomslug is the best, and MBot. Okay, read this book if you love AI or like sarcastic companion characters. Read this book. MBot is my baby. If there is not something for MBot in this box, I swear. What? Okay, I'm already like really confused. Okay, that's my spoiler card. The top is a Wit quote from Wit, of course. All stories told have been told before. The only things new are the names. Oh my god. There's Doomslug Go Fish cards. Look at Doomslug. Oh my god. There's also a novella set, Skyward Flight, where there's one story that is about the species of slug that Doomslug. Oh my god, there's a Doomslug sticker. I don't want to mess that up. Look, it's like a little stamp of Doomslug. I want to keep that. Ha ha ha. Oh my god, he's on the little tab too. Oh my god, these are my new favorite cards. Oh my god. You guys, look at him. Okay, this is already like the cutest thing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at him with a hamburger. Oh, I love this. Okay, so each different suit, they have the same, like, they're doing the same thing, but it's a different slug. Ooh, okay. There's actually a QR code with, like, a fun Cytoverse variant of the game and other game ideas. Okay, yep, I will be doing this. I am a board game, like, card game person. This is the best thing ever. I love this. And we got our pin. Who are we? Can I figure out who you are? It's a blonde girl with a lot of notes and books. Can I figure you out? You're not Shalon. It's Steris. Oh my god, Steris is like the freaking like low-key OG character of Mistborn era 2, and I love her. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Look at her. I don't know if this is clear. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, I love this box. I love this box. I love this box. Doomslug silicone mold. Are you shitting me? Guys, I make resin. I do resin things, and you use silicone molds. Okay, so I'm gonna be making Doomslug silicone molds if any of you guys would like to purchase a little resin Doomslug from me. Oh, oh my god, oh my god. And a box. What is in this box? I actually have not gotten my first/second box because they had a printing issue. And it was supposed to be the January box and they moved it to February. And I still haven't gotten it. It's the physical book of Tress of the Emerald Sea, which I actually have already read because we have the ebook. And I love that book. That book, it's a pirate setting, and it's probably now one of my top 2 favorite Sanderson books, which is saying something. Hoyd is narrating it, and it's incredible. The amount of like witty quotes and funny quotes, and just the story itself, like all the characters are great. There's an animal companion, like it's so good. I would describe it as Tress accidentally keeps falling into a fairy tale storybook world. Accidentally. Oh my god. What? The actual... Am I tearing up? Oh my fucking god. What are you? Are you just a model? You are heavy. It's a little, it's just a replica, like, because in the books there's diagrams and stuff of the ships, and this is MBot. This is my baby. This is my baby. This box is completely worth the entire like year of Sanderson. I cannot get this out. The entire year of Sanderson merch boxes. Like, I already know we should be expecting at least one other really cool item, because he kind of spoiled it. I can't get them out. But this box was like completely unexpected, and holy crap. My nose is running. I have allergies, sorry. So you go here. What is life? Oh my god. I don't know if you can see that. By the way, these silicone molds, like, I'm gonna use them for resin, but they can be used for ice cubes. You could have little Doomslug ice cubes. You can use them for like candy making. You can use them for like chocolate molds, or like, oh my god, little cake pops. That would be adorable. But I'm gonna use them for resin, and this box is the best box ever. Oh my god. Okay. Well, there you have it. I'm obsessed with these cute little fucking slugs. Where's our OG Doomslug? Here's our OG Doomslug. There he is, with his mushrooms. Can you even Can you even with the cuteness level of this? MBot! Okay, I'm gonna just die. I love that our character pin is Steris from Mistborn. But with all of our Skyward Cytoverse stuff. But I freaking love Steris, so this is great. Okay, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll do another unboxing. The next box should be another book, actually. Hopefully I get Tress before then, or maybe I'll get them both at the same time. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.